Hi, my name is Courtney S, and I'm an attorney with Kroloff in Stockton. Today I'll be sharing some reasons why it's important for a young family to have an estate plan. Whether you currently have kids or are thinking of having kids in the near future, having an estate plan might not be on your radar. Some people think that having an estate plan isn't necessary as a young adult, but that couldn't be further from the truth. And here are some reasons why. An estate plan provides financial security for your surviving spouse and kids in the event something happens to you, whether that be death or incapacity. It can also ensure that your kids are provided for if something happens to both you and your spouse. In addition to providing this financial security, your estate plan will name an executor or trustee who will manage your assets for you if you're ever unable to do so yourself. Now, this person will ensure that your assets actually go to the people named in your estate plan, presumably your spouse and kids. They're also responsible for preserving, managing, and distributing your assets to your family so that your family's financially taken care of. Now, it's important to name someone who is trustworthy, someone you trust with your money, someone who is able to manage finances, so they should be somewhat financially savvy, and someone who's willing to take on the responsibilities of acting as a trustee or executor. And it's important that you get to choose this person through your estate plan. Otherwise, when you die, the court will have to choose someone to act for you, and the person the court chooses might not be someone you would have chosen to manage your assets. Now, having an estate plan also allows you to name a guardian for your minor children. A guardian will care for your minor children in your absence. And some things to consider when choosing this person are whether they're physically able to care for your kids, whether they live nearby or are willing to relocate, whether they have stable finances and are able to build stable relationships, and whether they share your value system and will give your kids the life you want your kids to have. Now, like your executor or trustee, if you don't name a guardian through your estate plan, the court will have to choose a guardian for you if something were to happen to you. And this person might not be the person you would have chosen to raise your kids in your place. So these are some of the reasons why it's important for a young family to have an estate plan. Stay tuned for my next video on what a will is and why you need one.